Ethernet connected but no internet access on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hey everyone, and let's get started with some of the solutions for this. The first one is running the troubleshooter. For that, tap on in the search button and search for troubleshoot settings. Once it is open, click on other troubleshooters. Now you have to tap on network and internet and click on run. As it is connected currently, it is shown as connected. If not, it will show you the error and fix it right then. Moving on to the second solution, click on network and internet. As I have connected to Wi-Fi, it is showing Wi-Fi. If you have connected to Ethernet, tap on Ethernet, go to the properties and change the network profile type. This should also fix the problem. If this is not fixing the problem, let us move on to the third solution. For that, open the device manager and then you will open this page. Hereby, you have to search for the network adapter. Tap on the network adapters and search for the adapter or driver that is connected to the Ethernet. Right-click on it and then you have to first update it. Now click on search automatically for drivers, and if there is any available, it will be shown. Or you can click on updated drivers from Windows as well. And from this, you can install the latest driver. Once you have updated, you can right-click on it again, disable the device once and then enable it again. This works as a refresh button and this would fix the problem. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.